So welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a very serious topic which you all need to listen. So please have a cup of coffee or chai, whatever you like. So let's get started with today's video. Talk about health. Not only physically but mentally health is also important. You should be fit in both ways. But if you are facing some issues regarding your mental health or physical health, here I am and I hope and I genuinely feel that it will help you guys. These are very simple steps you need to do every day and you can see the results at home, and that's the best part, that we are staying at home supporting our country. But this thing hits at our mind that we are not going everywhere, we are feeling stressed, we are feeling workload, we are feeling very we are feeling very weird actually at home, because since past 4 months we are sitting at home doing nothing actually. So sitting at your home and you can do many much thing if you are not doing till now. So please watch this video till the end. Firstly, make yourself busy. If you are free, then you will like, oh my god, I have so much stuff, I am so tense, I am this, I am blah blah blah. Means all the toxins will be in your will pop up on your mind. So we don't want that. Connect yourself with your pets, with nature, or make yourself busy, whether it's online, offline, whether you can watch some movies, your favorite television programs, the daily soaps, whatever you want to do. Or the best part, you can make your own benefit, that you can just prepare yourself a DIY face pack and DIY give a DIY chumpy, and just use it, pamper yourself, pamper your body, remove all the tan, all the dust, all the toxins. It's really fun doing this. Secondly, why I said to connect yourself with nature, because guys, I'm not saying that you have to go to the parks or go to the anywhere else. You can just every morning, what you have to do, you can just prepare yourself a mug of coffee or whatever you are having. So every morning around 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, you can just go and sit in your balcony, just take a sip of your coffee, and you can really feel that morning vibes, that you can just feel fresh. Yeah, I hope that my point are getting clear to you. Whenever you feel like horrifying or stressed or demotivated, give yourself a good chumpy and take a good bath, and not just a regular bath, a good bath with a luxurious touch actually. What you can do, just take some lukewarm water and a bit of bath salt. Now yes guys, bath salt can really add effect to your mind. Bath salt can make you feel positive, make you feel motivated, remove all the headaches, body aches, whatever pain you are feeling, whatever you are worrying. Trust me, when you just take a lukewarm shower, you will feel really refreshed, you will feel, and whenever you are just enjoying the fragrance of that bath salt, it will really calm down your mind. So that's the best part. And here I am featuring my most favorite brand or the Instagram page named as See Realism by Prerna D and by Prerna Gaur. My sister name is, I call her sister, she is my inspiration, she inspires a lot. Her page is amazing. She's more into spirituality, she's more into spiritual things. So please go check out her page. The page screenshot is right here, the link is in the description box. Please go check it out here. She amazing stuff she is having. So here I am showing you some stuff. I told you about the bath salt now. So what you have to do, just go to the See Realism page by Prerna D and check it out, her amazing stuff, especially her bath salt. It's really amazing. The fragrance is like, oh my god, can I eat this? It's totally feel like edible. Can you just see? I just hope that you guys can see. So amazing fragrance. It will really help you to calm down, and that's the only reason, that's why I'm staying at home. I'm speechless right now. Can you just see the beautiful packaging, the golden color, this cap, metallic color cap, and this beautiful jar you can see here. So basically it's a liquid lavender calming plus meditation made with love and intent, where your crystal bath salt is infused with amethyst in a lavender and vanilla blend sprinkled with herbs that promote clarity. Yes guys, so these products are handmade by the, so these products are totally herbal, totally natural, and they are more into so they are more into promote you to be motivated, and they will help your mind to calm down, and they will assure you to be remain fit, mentally fit and mentally healthy. So please go and try out. This is not just an ordinary bath salt. It's full of meditation, positive vibes, and really amazing herbs. Your bath, or after or after or before having your lunch, you can just take your oil burner, place some oil and put some these candles. So when the temperature increases of the, so when the oil temperature increases now, this candle starts melting, and when this starts melting now, so it will create a very good moisture, a very nice atmosphere it will provide you, which will really help you calm down, really refreshing, really amazed. That's why I am saying you not to worry about, use these products and remain happy and calm down. No anger, no worry, no sadness, no upsetness. Now we just have to support everyone and support this page also. Show some love to my sister, my friend, my inspiration. Yes guys, please, here I have to show you some clip. Please see that also now. Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I received these products, and yeah, I just don't even think that I should test it, I should try it, because without testing it, I can say and I can bet that these products are wonderful, and these can work wonders for you and for me as well. So today my mom is trying this bath salt, and it's totally the beautiful fragrance of lavender, and this we will gonna try soon. And I just love the these small hearts, they are so pretty. All the stuff is so nice, and thank you so much to this page, to my mom, yeah, because right now also she is my inspiration, because she's doing so much hard work to just spread some positivity, to remove the negativity. So yeah, that's yeah.